What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing 0 from A Nightmare Before Christmas. Let's begin today's lesson on the left side of the page and draw an oval for the eye. We're going to start from the very top, come all the way down towards the bottom, and then back up towards the top. Now on the left side we just want to see a thick edge. So we're going to start from the top, come all the way around, and just blend that in towards the bottom, and then we'll fill the right side of the eye in black. Now on the left side, we're going to leave a gap and draw the top edge of the nose. We're going to go across and then bend that up. Now we want to place the pumpkin along the tip of the nose. We're going to draw an oval, going all the way around, go across towards the left, and then back in towards the middle. Let's draw two small triangles along the top of the eyes. And we'll draw in the mouth, starting on the left, come down and up towards the middle. Draw that again towards the right. And I'm going to open up the mouth, adding those two small points. Let's add the stem across the top, going up and then back down. Now I'm going to go back and draw the bottom edge of the mouth. I'm going to step over, curve around. Just going to bend this in towards the eye, round this out, come down and then up towards the corner of the mouth. Let's draw the left eye tucked in behind the nose. We're going to go up, come back down, and just like we did on the right, we're just going to add a thick edge on the side, and we'll fill the inside of the eye in black. Now we're going to open up the mouth, starting from the left, curve this down, and out, going up underneath the head, and we're just going to fill the inside of the mouth in black. Now let's draw on the top of the head. Starting from the outside of the eye, we're going to go up, just going to round out the head, and then just come down towards the ear. Let's layer the ear on top of the head. We're going to step in, we're going to go up, bend this down, go up, and then back down towards the tip. Now we're going to go back to the starting point. We're going to leave a gap. Just going to go thicker with the ear as it comes all the way around, and just taper up towards a point. Let's continue the curve of the head underneath the ear, come down, and just go out towards the tip of the jaw. Now I'm going to tuck the left ear in behind, starting from the top of the head. I'm going to go up, come down, and then up. Go back down, step over. Again, we're going to go wider as it comes in towards the middle of the ear, and taper up towards a point. Let's go underneath the head on the right side and add the collar. Just going to curve this around and tuck that in underneath. Let's go back up to the top of the collar, draw a straight angle line coming down across the body, bend this up towards the top, and I'm just going to flop that down on the inside. In the center of the collar, we're going to draw a seam coming down and out, go underneath the collar, bend the body coming out, and then down. Now from here, we're going to draw a wave going all the way around and then back out towards the tip of the body. So let's round this out, go up, come down, round up the side. Now we want to taper this going up towards the top, and then pull that down towards that point. Now I want to see the back side of the body in behind, starting underneath the head, bend this down and across. I'm going to pull this up in behind the body, round this out, and then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw 0 from A Nightmare Before Christmas. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.